sure you ready?
Yeah.
You sure? You sure you want the car?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Are you sure you want the car? Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm fine with it.
This is the He-Man Woman Haters Club. Men only. Like the little rat.
Yeah, somebody called me earlier. It's like, I see your car on Karma. I'm like, that's the look. Y'all literally called me like 10 minutes later. That's how I knew the car was there. All right. I'm like, damn.
Well, go ahead, man. Get in. Take a look.
Right,
See what you like. I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna like it or not.
There's clips in there, watch your lips in there. Before I make this 40 disappear, make it disappear. Yeah. This that kill switch. Only thing I rap about is real shit. All these I can't deal with. It's gonna make my shooters do it real quick. Make my shooter band. I'ma have my man.
What's up, 38 gang? Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Looking like utility work.
Welcome back, 38 gang. I hope y'all enjoyed that intro. Shout out to my cousin for helping me put that together and everything. But yeah, here go the Scat tag. Woo! 2017, 25K miles on this, the black top edition, and I'm about to reveal something crazy. Stay tuned for the whole video so y'all can see how I got done and everything. And yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a cold start like I normally do real quick. Let's do that. All right, 38 gang, so let me reveal the big mod that I got done to the car real fast, and we're gonna talk about everything, all the process a little bit more and all that. If y'all didn't see the door panel lights in the Underglow Kit videos, all that stuff, and the exhaust work, I'll leave that in the playlist in the right above. But yeah, here's time for the big reveal. I'm super excited about this, but yeah, y'all. Sorry about the wind in the audio before, man. I had to get my new mic sent in. I got it just now to shoot this shot and everything, and the videos coming soon, guys, will be a little bit better. I'm trying to make the quality of my videos so much better for you guys. But here is the big reveal. I'm looking for my remote. I want to get a good angle so you guys can see this. So I'm gonna put it like right there. This all done by me. This the remote that came with it. I got this kit off of Amazon, guys. It's the stars in the ceiling, man. I'm just gonna go ahead and say it now. I'll leave a link in the description for every product I use in this video, guys. So here it is. Let's go, baby. Oh, trying to get a good view. We need a good view of that. That shit is busted. But yeah, man, the remote, as you can see on the remote, guys, there's all type of colors, all type of modes. They have a twinkle mode, and they even have where I can use an app instead. So I'll show you all that when I get a chance, right after this part. But look, let me show you a few colors and stuff. I really like red inside of my Scat pack, so I'm going to go with a lot of red or white stars, and I'm definitely going to make them twinkle. You could change the speed of it and everything, fast twinkle. I don't know if you can see that on the video, but is it twinkle on there? Let's see. Yeah, but you could change the speed of them. You will make them fade, do all type of like different colors. I think I got it on twinkle. I'm trying to make sure I did it right. White. Yeah, so there go the twinkle right there. I don't know if I can see it actually moving. Excuse me. Breathe is a different one. It's like a twinkle. And you can like slow up the speed and everything. But yeah, I'm gonna get some shots of that so I'm not in the frame. Y'all actually can see how I really look and everything. I just wanted to reveal it to you guys so y'all can see that, man. But yeah, white or red is going to be the colors I choose. And yeah, it's going crazy inside the interior. And this is the reason why, because I have a lot of interior already, like lights that's done. Like it's already red in here. So you see why I'm going to go with red, guys. This is exactly why, man. I'm going to get y'all some B-rolls, some B-shots. And yeah, man, let me know what y'all think. Leave me some likes. Let me some comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. And yeah. 38 gang. So I have two apps because I have my Underglow Kit, which is LED hue, and my Stars in the Ceiling app. They both run through my phone if I want, or I can use controller. This is the LED. This is the Stars in the Ceiling LED lights. This is how you use it. You turn it on like this. Turn it on right there. They have different modes down at the bottom. Twinkle mode over there. Sound mode if you playing music. And I don't know what that is. Whatever over there. I can't see. It says meter or something. And yeah, you can change the speeds, different settings like light settings, breathe. Like it says on the remote, says breathe too. Where's the remote at? Here's the remote, guys. So, but yeah, I just want to show y'all that. We're going to get out the car, and I'm going to give y'all a B-roll like I said before. Let's do that because I don't want to talk too much. Gang, so this is the Underglow Kit by RGB Halo Kits. I'll leave a link in the description for every product I use in the video. I got named the Scat pack on the app. And yeah, let me turn it on. And if y'all didn't see that before, I'll just leave that color on. I just wanted y'all to see the Underglow Kit. But yeah, this is how the box hooked up since we got here, like I was saying before. Finish Line, the shop that I went to in Ohio. If y'all seen all that in the video. They hooked it up, the box right here. They cut out a little spot for it, and it hooks up right there. My trunk got a lot of stuff in it. But yeah. Yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I mean, this was a big mod for me, man. I just took the interior to another level with all the other lights I had too, with the red bulbs and the LED strip on the floor that I got inside. But I got some more interior stuff coming eventually, but we're gonna work on trying to do like some engine mods, and maybe like I wanted to do like get some headers and do rear differential gear change. But stay tuned for the next video, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said before, if y'all ain't subscribed, what y'all doing? Good plan. Man, rate the 5th for today, y'all. Rate the video. Give me some likes. Share these boys. Smash that subscribe button. Become part of the 38 gang, man. Stay tuned for the next video, guys. Let's go. Peace. All right, so this is Dustin, Finish Line, Parma, Ohio. I'll leave his number and all that inside the description or inside the video, guys. If y'all want to get any kind of electrical work, they do a lot of stuff. It ain't just electrical stuff. It's all type of stuff, like everything. So like a lot of like mods and aesthetic stuff. So guys, if y'all need something done, come to Finish Line, Ohio, man. Dustin right here, or
appreciate you, man.
Anybody inside the shop would handle you guys. Tell them Slushy Student or Greg sent you. And yeah, man. Oh, shit.